Okay, so this is going to be the first part of like a multi-part series I'm going to do of just describing, like showing you how I edit. So yeah. Okay, so when you have your clip, you want to make sure that the camera work is like all done first. So in the pre-comp I have like a null, so this is like the camera work that I've done. So it's just a simple like zoom out just to support the movement. So this will help make the shake look better. I mean, it depends on the clip, but this is what I've done for this. So it's just simple scale keyframes, then I pre-comp that, and then I have this now, just with a scale. Now I'm going to add an adjustment layer, and then I'm going to put S shake on it. So with this, first I just start by keyframing the start on 1, and then I'll do the end for this one, I'll do 0, and then I think I'll do like 3 for now, 3.75, then I'm going to do about 2.9 on the frequency, and then also you want to make sure that you have like motion tile on it. You don't want to use this, so just click no on this and then go to the pre-comp and then just add motion tile. I use CC Reptile just because it's supposed to be faster. I'm just going to do that. Then for the S shake again, this one is not necessarily coming from anywhere because there's no clip before it, so I'm just gonna lower the X a little bit like there, and for the Y I'm gonna do about 86 or something. Set shake, I'm gonna put this up a bit, about 439 maybe. Tilt shake, I'm gonna do a little bit, I'll do like 3 or 4, and then I'm just gonna do this sort of a graph like this. I'll just show you how that looks in the graph menu. It look like this. So when we have that, it still looks a little off, so I'm going to increase the X a little bit, about that much. Looks a bit better, and then this is what you really want to do. You want to change the seed, and then this will just change where the shake starts from. So I'm thinking something like this. Again, that doesn't look great, so you can just keep messing around with the seed until you get like a nice starting place. I'm just going to keep doing this. I think I'm also going to bump up the X a little bit too, and a bit more of the X. We'll also do more Y as well. And I'll just up the amplitude just a little bit, and I'm going to slow the frequency down just a little bit as well. Yeah, I'm going to keep changing the seed as well. You also want to keep changing the seed so you don't see any of the motion tile, because you don't want that in an edit. Alright. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good now. So yeah, you can also You can copy all this if you want. But again, shakes are very like change depending on the clip, so it's better to like experiment. But my main type of shakes are low frequency. So yeah, that's gonna be it.